Good evening and welcome to Italy. I saw these two objects. Things seem to be hanging out in pairs lately. Anywhere actually from 2 to 5 objects at a time. But these two objects, I thought, well, I'll check and see if it's moisture. Maybe it's webcam, moisture, whatever. It's not. Because it's perfectly dry out. It's gorgeous out actually. Yeah, no rain, no wet, no nothing. So, and these have that hologram look to them, as most objects do anymore. But I just wanted to share them to you, or with you, and they changed from blues, greens to yellows, golds, oranges to reddish. So we're a minute in. I'm going to give it about 15 more seconds. Maybe it'll go a little. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, just holographically just changes colors, shapes. So if they're creating them or hiding something, I don't know. But they're pretty fantastic to see, and I just want to do a quick share. Italy. And I'll see you soon.